Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday, currently higher so far this morning. Soybeans leading the way the upside. We had some big export sales announced this morning at 7:30. I think the trade was expecting bean sales around 1.45 million, and that was the high end of estimates. Blew it out of the water, came in at over 2.6 million. Majority of that was for the 2014-2015 crop year, so we're seeing a good bounce there this morning, definitely due to that, and also the fact that we talked about that 1065 level yesterday that was support that would turn into resistance. Well, we closed above that yesterday. That spurred some buying even before those export sales were announced. Then the export sales were a little icing on the cake for the people with long positions this morning. So you have to keep your eye on that moving forward. Weather moving forward, there's also a little concern right now for the soybeans, because soybean is a crop that's typically made in August. Right now, there's really not a whole lot of concern for the corn crops. That's pretty much made. There's not a whole lot of concerns with what could happen with weather on that front, just because it's doing so well right now. But beans are made in August, so that is a little bit of a concern right now should we be dry in August. So adding a little bit of risk premium into the market. There isn't a whole lot of weather concern right now, but that doesn't mean that there shouldn't be any risk premium in the market. And the trade's letting us know that right now, and then of course just a little bit short covering as well, spurring the bean market. So other than that, really not much else to talk about today. That's all we've got. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.